The 2026 GLC Class redefines luxury. Sleek design gives Agnes.
Forget everything you thought you knew about the mid-size luxury SUV. For years, the formula has been simple. Make it comfortable, make it quiet, and make it blend in. Well, Mercedes-Benz just took that formula, set it on fire, and painted it a brilliant, unapologetic green. Welcome back to New Car Insider. Today we are getting up close and personal with a machine that is threatening to completely rewrite the rules of its segment. The highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC Class. And let me tell you right now, if you think this is just another mild facelift to keep the suburbanites happy, you are absolutely dead wrong. What Mercedes has done with the chassis, the aggressively redesigned aero, and the mind-bending hybrid tech hiding underneath, it's going to make the competition at BMW and Porsche sweat. Stick around, because the performance figures we are going to dive into later in this video will absolutely shock you. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room, or rather, the vibrant, venomous green apex predator sitting right in front of us. Just look at the stance on this thing. The 2026 GLC Class, particularly in this coupe silhouette, is an absolute masterclass in aggressive elegance. Notice how Mercedes has completely leaned into the dark, accented aero package. We have these massive gloss black wheel arch extensions that do not just hug the tires, they swallow them, giving the entire vehicle a wider, incredibly planted footprint that screams track-ready rather than grocery-getter. The front fascia is dominated by the iconic Panamericana grille, but for 2026, the dimensions feel tweaked. It's hungrier. The vertical slats push air directly into a heavy-duty cooling system, while the redesigned digital light headlamps cut into the front bumper like a pair of scalpel blades. And check out the lower front lip. That sweeping gloss black splitter isn't just for show. Mercedes engineers have been spending a lot of hours in the wind tunnel, and every single ridge, intake, and fin you see here is fully functional, designed to channel air around those massive multi-spoke alloy wheels to reduce drag and increase front-end bite at high speeds. Moving down the side, the sweeping roofline of the coupe variant is more fluid than ever. It perfectly balances the muscularity of the lower half with a sleek, aerodynamic teardrop shape up top. But it's the contrast that really makes this design pop. The brilliant metallic green paint against the blacked-out mirrors, side skirts, and roof creates a visual tension that is impossible to look away from. It looks fast while it's completely standing still. But what happens when you open the door and slide inside? Because let's face it, no matter how good a car looks on the outside, you live on the inside. For 2026, Mercedes hasn't just updated the cabin, they've elevated it to a level that feels more like a first-class lounge orbiting Earth than a traditional SUV. As you grip the new, flat-bottom AMG steering wheel, complete with those beautifully tactile, capacitive touch controls, you are immediately greeted by the next generation of the MBUX infotainment system. The massive central portrait-oriented touchscreen cascades down the center console like a waterfall of digital real estate. It's faster, more intuitive, and the graphics are so incredibly crisp it looks like you're staring out a window into the Matrix. But it's not just about slapping huge screens everywhere. It's about the craftsmanship and the materials. The carbon fiber trim woven through the dashboard, the incredibly soft yet supportive Nappa leather sport seats with aggressive bolstering. Everything you touch feels expensive and deliberate. The ambient lighting has been taken to an entirely new dimension, with 64 customizable colors that don't just illuminate the footwells, but actively trace the architecture of the dashboard, the doors, and even the air vents. And speaking of the air vents, Those illuminated turbine-style vents remain a signature touch, blending retro aviation aesthetics with futuristic tech. Here's a secret detail you might miss until you actually hit the highway: the acoustic engineering. Mercedes has utilized advanced sound-deadening materials and acoustic glass throughout the cabin. When you want quiet, the cabin is a sensory deprivation tank. But when you engage sport mode, the exhaust valves open up, and the cabin is filled with the exact right amount of mechanical symphony. It is a dual personality vehicle in the best way possible. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. What is powering this beast? The automotive landscape is changing rapidly, and the 2026 GLC is the ultimate bridge between the visceral combustion past and the electrified future. While standard models will continue to refine the incredibly efficient turbocharged four-cylinder engines paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, the real magic happens when you step up to the AMG variants. We are looking at the evolution of the e-performance technology derived directly from their Formula One efforts. Imagine a handcrafted turbocharged engine at the front, paired with a high-performance electric motor directly on the rear axle. The combined output? We are expecting figures well north of 600 horsepower for the top-tier AMG 63 models. The instantaneous torque delivery from that electric motor means turbo lag is virtually erased from existence. When you put your foot down, the response isn't just fast, it's violent. You are pinned back into those AMG sport seats with a relentless surge of acceleration. 0 to 60 times are expected to drop deep into the low 3-second range, making this family-hauling SUV faster off the line than most supercars from just a few years ago. But the absolute genius of this plug-in hybrid system isn't just raw speed, it's versatility. You can drive this absolute monster in pure electric mode for your daily commute to the office, completely silent and emission-free. Then on the weekend, you switch the dial on the steering wheel to Sport Plus. The combustion engine roars to life, the suspension hunkers down, and you have a canyon-carving weapon at your disposal. Speaking of carving canyons, how does a vehicle this substantial manage to handle like a low-slung sports car? The secret weapon for 2026 is the heavily revised chassis architecture and the inclusion of rear axle steering. This is a complete game changer for the GLC. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn in the opposite direction to the fronts. This virtually shortens the wheelbase, meaning maneuvering this SUV through tight city streets, navigating narrow driveways, or whipping into tight parking spots is as easy as driving a compact hatchback. But out on the open road, at high speeds, the rear wheels turn in the same direction as the fronts. This virtually lengthens the wheelbase, providing incredible stability during high-speed lane changes or sweeping highway corners. Pair that steering tech with the adaptive air suspension that constantly reads the road surface and adjusts damping forces in fractions of a millisecond, and you have an SUV that completely defies physics. It stays incredibly flat in the corners, managing its weight transfer with a level of grace that simply shouldn't be possible for a vehicle of this size. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system has also been completely recalibrated. It's significantly more rear-biased now, especially in the AMG models, which gives the GLC a playful, dynamic character that enthusiast drivers are absolutely going to love. You can actually feel the car rotating around your hips when you push it hard through a tight apex. So, what is the final verdict on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class? It's abundantly clear that Mercedes is not resting on its laurels. They knew they had a global bestseller, and instead of playing it safe and giving us a boring refresh, they pushed the envelope in every single direction. The styling is bolder and more unapologetic. The technology is smarter and more immersive, and the performance is completely unhinged. This isn't just a car you buy because you need a practical SUV. This is a car you buy because you genuinely want to drive it every single day. The competition from the BMW X4 and Porsche Macan is fierce, but with this new aggressive posture, the brilliant aero package, and that Formula One-derived hybrid tech. The new GLC has just set an incredibly high bar for the entire industry. But I want to know what you think. Is this brilliant green, hyper-aggressive design a step in the right direction for Mercedes? Or do you prefer the more understated, subtle looks of the past? Drop a comment down below. I read every single one and I love debating with you guys. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update from New Car Insider. We have some incredible on-road reviews and track tests lined up for you next week. Until then, keep your foot heavy and your shifts crisp. I'll see you in the next one.